Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Mitsubishi RVR. Coming in this nice orange coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice backup camera, the nice Mitsubishi logo. You got a little roof spoiler as well with the RVR logo, some nice black fenders, which is pretty nice. You do get a little light on the side here, and moving to the front, we do have that nice Mitsubishi grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get plenty of cargo space. You even got cargo holders on each side. Little hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got a little LED light. You can lift this up for more storage with your spare tire, and you can collapse that row if you need extra storage. Taking a look at the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior. You got a little storage space in the back, plenty of leg room with all the front seat all the way back. And of course you do get cup holders and arm space if you don't need that extra person in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. You have your mirrors, windows, info all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 62,629 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your cruise control settings, the Mitsubishi logo, voice, phone, media, volume, all that jazz. Over here we have cup holders, your parking brake, gear select, and your center console with a 12 volt down there. Got more storage here, 2 USBs, heated front seats, traction, and a 12 volt. You got your climate control right there, passenger, airbag, all that jazz, hazards, storage below. And looking at our main screen here, we do get an HD radio. We're gonna go home real quick if it wants to work. It's just a little cold outside. You do get your fader, tone, all that jazz. You got your home, which will go into media, so you have your Bluetooth, all that jazz, phone, and other settings to really customize this vehicle. And shifting this car into reverse, you do get that nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7890, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.